Greetings, everyone. Today, I will show you how to use Instagram without letting anyone know you're online. Without further ado, let's begin. First things first, make sure you've got the Instagram app installed on your device and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile picture, which you'll find in the bottom right corner. Now, look for the button in the top right corner that looks like 3 black rows and give it a tap. Next, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy from the options that pop up. Scroll down a little until you come across Messages and Story Replies. Give it a tap, and now you're almost there. Right at the bottom, you'll see a setting called Show Activity Status. This is the one you want to turn off. Simply tap on it and make sure it's not blue anymore, but white instead. And voila! Now no one will be able to see when you're using the app or if you're online. So thanks for watching, and later.